The new pier really starting to take a lot of shape right over here. Pretty much done. Looks like they're getting ready. Got the wire down there. They're getting ready to pour the concrete. Wow, moving right along on it. We were here in August. This part didn't even exist. We'll see what it brings when I get 4 ships here.
Clem Hopper.
I'm not a Clem Cadiddle Hopper.
Clem Cadiddle Hopper.
That's very hurtful.
That's his new hat name. He thinks he's Indiana Jones, but he's one.
We're gonna go grab a big snack, a little snack, and we're gonna get off here at Celebration Key.
Yeah, we're going to Celebration Key,
right.
And we're gonna let y'all know how it is.
Where'd she go? Oh, cool, she's gone. She's probably stealing towels back there.
Stop it.
All right. Anyway,
he's back
we'll see you
caught him some Cadiddle Hopper.
All right. Well, there's this guy right here.
Yes,
this is our cabin steward. He's the best cabin steward of all. Ludo.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you.
And I don't remember, but they're talking trash back and forth. That one big guy on him said, "F Kentucky. There's nothing this year." Yeah. Yeah. How's it in Tampa? Is it cold? Tomorrow?
All right, here we are in Celebration Key, and it is Towel Animal Day. You've seen it. We've been there. We've done that. Now, I got standing out back down here. Must be cold. Trust me, it's definitely not cold there. It's a lot of towel animals. Here we go.
They'll take the tramps everywhere. He'll love the water here. Glory Road.
Yep. Calypso starfish.
There's the swings.
Yep, you got the swing bar, you got the swim up bar down there. On the starfish side, pretty much just the lagoon, more family oriented. And they're big, as you can see. We brought this to you before. I'll put the link in the description below. Show you the whole tour of the whole entire place. So these are all the shops. This is where they do the little parade. And then, look at that dork. Look what I found on here. And then right there where that yellow building is where you can go out on your regular tours.
Down this way?
As I've told you before, if you look at the chips in the concrete, when you're on the Calypso side, they're red. If you go to the other side, on the Starfish Lagoon side, the chips in the concrete are blue. All right, we're gonna cut through the bushes, apparently. All right, so this is the same place we stayed last time we were here. Now remember, this is not all adult like people think they is. If you go right through those two island area right there, you'll see the sign that says 18 plus just up there by the swim up bar. The rest of this is family. Remember, this is just one side. This is the Calypso side. The other side is as big. Where are we going?
We're going to dinner. It's the last night of the cruise. We're kind of tired. We're not really hungry because we've been at Celebration Key all day, but we're never miss dinner.
Well,
We don't miss dinner.
nope. All right, we'll see you down there. We'll bring you that menu right about
Now.
my first appetite.
Almost done with my book.
Minestrone soup.
Read it.
Terry
I
got-
laid on the bed watching TV.
Terry got
I love the beet salad.
It looks good.
Terry got fried green tomatoes. Terry got her entrees and burritos.
No green sauce.
No green sauce. I got the jerk pork chop. Yummy, yummy. Terry got baked Alaska. And I got baked Alaska. Good evening. All good things got to come to an end. It's the last night on this 7-day jaunt. I mean 8-day jaunt. And pretty much packed.
We're just winding down.
Yep. Getting ready to go to the Love and Marriage show. Then I'm going to go to comedy. She's probably going to go to bed. And I might end up back in the casino, but I doubt it. I think I'm taking what I got and going home with it, because we board again on Thursday on the Enchantment. And then we get off of that and we come back over to Canaveral and we get on Utopia with her goofy friends. And so now they'll be through goofy girls with me. I'll be in a casino a lot. So anyway, it's been a great cruise. We love the ship. It's an awesome ship, the Vista.
We'll be back.
But we'll be back in April on the Vista. So, all right. So we will see you. You got anything to say?
Just good night.
And
Cheers. Cheers to partying to cruising.
correct. And make sure you get yourself a chocolate martini.
They're so good.
Because they're so good. All right. Oh, and by the way, the jerk spice pork chop was awesome tonight too. It was really good. So anyway, we'll see you. And see you in about 5 days. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. I know. Say it again. I just want to hear you say it. Oh, gotta go. Bye. By the way, I forgot. Celebration Key. The water was like ice water. It was freezing cold. It was really hard to get in.
Yeah, but we did.
And there wasn't really a lot of people in the water because it was so cold.
It was very cold. It was a nice sunny day.
Yeah, it was. It was a great day. But, all right. So anyway, so if you come, bring a swimsuit.
Oh, we wore a swimsuit.
I mean a skin diving suit. Yeah, wetsuit. There you go. I knew there was a name for it.
We had on swimsuits.
All right. All right. Anyway, again, bye-bye.